Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, November 1st, 2023. Let's find out what is going on the Ether to Bitcoin at Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart, and as you can see, I'm using the standard principles of the technical analysis on the Japanese candlestick chart. So the first thing you might want to notice is that since the high of the 2022, this is the beginning of the September 2022, the Ether to Bitcoin market has been doing the consecutive lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and just recently we've made a new yearly low at the level of 0.0513. So if we will basically mark the very important levels here on this chart, the next level is very obvious, 0.05, and this level is the technical support from 2022, and which is very important because it's already over 1 year old, of course, and generally this level here should be treated as the next target for bears. Of course, the technical resistance is now located at 0.05454. If we copy this line, we can set the other technical resistance even lower, on the lows from the 10th of the October 2023, 0.0525, and one more technical resistance levels can be seen, of course, at the week low here from the March 10th 2023 at 0.0581. So it looks like this market is actually moving way lower as the downtrend continues. So when we apply the trend line here, let me just do it this way. Okay, so that's the trend line. All right, so if we will apply it from the highs to the lows, we can clearly see that the market is respecting this trend line more or less. There is plenty of the hits on this trend line, right? So that's correct one. There's the one, there's the second one. We got some kind of if we be much more precise, there's the first one, there's a false breakout, there's another one here, and now movement to the downside. Of course, the last indicator we can apply here on this chart is the moving average cross, and as usual, because it's a daily time frame chart, we are going to use 100 and 200 moving average, and as you can see, we are trading way below both 100 and 200 moving average, and there is still plenty of the room to the upside for this market to cover in order to even test this moving averages. So the Ethereum is being sold, the Bitcoin is being bought back up as the market keeps moving down and continuing the downtrend from the beginning of the September 2022. We are approaching a very important level of 0.5. Nothing changes here until we will hit this level, and then we will see what will be actually the reaction, the market reaction for this level. So whether the bulls will be strong enough to defend this level, whether the bulls will even try to defend it, or maybe we will just break it with a very vicious force. A very dynamic market sell-off might happen as well, maybe in form of this, as you can see, kind of a pin bars here, which are very popular in the Ether to the Bitcoin. Maybe the other one will looks like this as well. Nevertheless, in that situation, there is no hope for the bulls, because we will have another lower low and lower high, which means that technically this is by definition the extension and continuation of the downtrend in that scenario, of course. But let's wait and see what the test of 0.05 will bring us. as the market is approaching this level, and then we will see what is the market reaction and what is the situation on this during this kind of a scenario. Shall the downtrend will be continued, or maybe some kind of a bounce, pullback, or even correction will be on the table after 0.05 is hit. That's everything from my point of view on the Ether to Bitcoin at Zondacrypto exchange. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.